Okay, so continuing on with the mine, I'm gonna go ahead, go to component, physics. I have to add a sphere collider this time. Now just remember, I haven't done anything like generate colliders because they're for like level type registering. Okay, it won't fully register the collisions if you use the generate colliders setting on the FBX import settings. Okay, don't work for collisions. That's more for like levels, like a house, buildings, and so on. I'm gonna go to component, go to physics, and then add a rigid body to it. Go to constraint, and the only thing I want to constrain is just the Y, and make sure my gravity is turned off. And now I can just drag this mine and go ahead, drag it to my prefabs to make it a prefab, and delete that out. Now I'll go on my player ship. Let's see, so I got my mine here, so it wants a rigid body. So now I got my mine. So going on the script, in here we're just going to instantiate the mine real quick, just to make sure it works. So in secondary, where it says mines, go to mine, just like that, and then now hit play, and then go to mine and right click, and I got my mine. And it will fly around if I hit it. Now that thing is so small in my case, so I'm gonna go ahead and increase the size for that thing, like that. Then hit apply, erase it. Now try it again. There you go, good size. So I'm gonna make it so it's more kind of like a proximity mine. You know, it doesn't make sense if you just go around and then somebody has to fly around and they can just go around it. Doesn't make sense. Then you have to do this. You have to kind of put a whole bunch, right? That'll be kind of bad. So make it so after a couple of seconds that it's out, start a timer, and then now if the mine registers there's another object close to it, let's say a rigid body, not a game object, then it will go fly towards it and blow it up. It doesn't matter if it's yourself too. So it's kind of like claymores. So you can blow yourself up with claymores or grenades, like in most video games. So we're gonna go here which says bullet scripts, right click, create, C#, and then I'm gonna call it mine. Click on your mine and then drag the script on it and open it up. And then here on the start, make sure I set this up real quick, and all the way on top you're gonna say public int, and then I'm gonna name it power equals 100. Then I'm gonna say, let's see, public float move speed, and then it's not gonna be so fast. I'm gonna make it somewhere around, let's see, 70 maybe. We'll see how that goes. Then we are going to do public float range to range distance. So let's start making it equals 50, and then we're gonna do public float timer, timer, and then let's make that 3 seconds, and then public float, it will be a private float in timer. So that's like equals 0. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next video.